The Atacama Desert, a landscape of extremes and wonders. The Atacama Desert is a convergence of extreme aridity, high plateaus, vast salt pans, and jewel-toned lagoons, producing one of Earth's most otherworldly landscapes. The high Andean tableland of the Puna de Atacama rises roughly 3,300 to 4,000 meters and stretches across parts of northern Chile and adjacent Argentina, its surface defined by salt flats, intermontane basins, and volcanic relief. The Atacama runs as a narrow strip along northern Chile for about 1,600 kilometers and covers roughly 105,000 square kilometers when defined by its core coastal and Andean margins. Its hyperidity results from a persistent cold offshore current and a double rain shadow created by the Andes and the Chilean Coast Range, which together block moisture from both the Pacific and the Amazon. Rainfall is extremely scarce and coastal fogs known locally as Caymanchaca intermittently veil the desert. Life in the Atacama is sparse but highly specialized. Coastal lomas and fog-dependent niches sustain hardy shrubs, cacti, and episodic wildflower displays after rare rains. In the high plateau, altiplanic wetlands and lagoons support specialist fauna including 3 flamingo species and breeding waterbirds, while vicuña, guanaco, and other camelids graze seasonal grasslands nourished by glacial melt and subterranean springs. The region's visual contrasts range from white salt crusts and cobalt lagoons to volcanic cones and terraced fields. Settlements such as San Pedro de Atacama, Tocaneo, and Soquer reveal traditional lifeways, Tamarugo shelter belts, stone churches, weaving traditions, and pre-Hispanic agricultural terraces fed by underground canals. High-altitude lagoons like Miscanti and Minix, above 4,000 meters, are vivid wildlife refuges set against stark volcanic backdrops. The Atacama is a major mineral province, rich in copper, lithium, sodium nitrate, iodine salts, and other extracted resources that have shaped regional economies. Its altitude, dryness, and clear skies make the desert an international center for astronomy, hosting major observatories optimized for millimeter and optical wavelengths. Portions of the desert also serve as terrestrial analogs for Mars, offering soils and conditions useful for astrobiology and instrument testing. Long-standing cultural practices, pastoralism, salt extraction, and terrace agriculture reflect deep human adaptation to extreme environments. The Atacama is at once an ecological rarity, a scientific asset, and a landscape of living cultural traditions. Its extreme climate and striking geology create unique ecosystems and world-class conditions for astronomy and planetary research, while its historical and contemporary uses illustrate the complex balance between resource extraction, community livelihoods, and environmental stewardship.